Thank you everyone for coming again today. Those of you who were here last night and those of you that are new today, thank you for coming. So I'd like to introduce right here the Ball family. This is Alyssa. Want to wave to everybody? Alyssa is 6 years old. This is her mom, Kimberly, and her dad, Michael. And her grandparents are here as well. They're back there. So Alyssa's 6. You're in first grade? First grade. All right. And Alyssa has cerebral palsy. So she uses walking sticks. She also uses a walker at times. So it's hard for her to get around on a daily basis. But she's a very strong girl and perseveres through it on a daily basis. So Alyssa loves princesses. She wants to be one.
No, I don't.
No? And her favorite princess is Cinderella.
No, how did you?
I don't know. Maybe you told me?
No.
No. So, Alyssa, we're sending you to a very special place, and I want to show you a video to show you where we're sending you. Okay? So you got to watch up here. Okay? Oh no. It's a good thing. Ready?
Dash 13 is ready for check.
Pool parties, ride horses, play rich golf. And that's not even the best part. Kids and their families, brothers and sisters too, get tickets to the area's coolest attractions, where they can ride the rides and enjoy the thrills all day long. They also get to eat yummy meals every day, including ice cream for breakfast. Each night is a dream come true. This little problem sounds unbelievable, but it's true. Give Kids a Little Village is an awesome place that gives these special kids and their families what they need more than anything. A chance to forget about doctors and treatments for a while, and just be alone and have fun. And you won't believe this. This fantasy vacation doesn't cost kids or their families a thing. Nope. We count on the support of caring people and companies to keep the magic alive and the kids laughing. To learn how you can help, visit GiveKidsTheWorld.org. Give Kids the World. It's where happiness inspires hope.
So, Alyssa, we want to give you Cinderella and a special t-shirt for your trip. You get to go in a month to Disney World to go visit all these princesses. Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Wait, if you want to go, I'll go.
No, I'm not going.
You're gonna go?
I'm not.
Don't you want to go?
No.